Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing you another original design. This is the Evergreen Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Gonna come over here and I'm just gonna put a fold in, bring it over to the top like that, secure it. And then I'm gonna come back and do a quick move like that to do a delta, and then I am going to do my wreath. Then we're going to come back up and over like this, and then we're going to come back down around like that. That's basically the maneuvers to start it, just going up and over. And then we're doing the same thing on that side. Doing another wreath right here, like this. And then I want to fold this in half and bring it through that top wreath right there, through this one right here. There you got the Evergreen Wreath. You can see it on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Own your style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.